Hi, my name is Angad Chatwal. I work in consultancy. I work with banks. I've been doing this job for the past 3 years in London. Before that, I was in India, and I moved to London 3 years ago. Predominantly, my job is a lot of sitting is also involved. So I'm behind the desk for 5 6 hours. The main problems was I had gained a lot of weight. I'd gained about 10 kgs in 3 years. Dietary lifestyle was different between India and London. I was not able to like go and do the things I was interested in. For example, like going hiking or doing outdoor activities, which was very common for me back in India. Before on my own, I think I had some experience in the gym. I had like done some training in the gym back, so I tried to go do that routine again. But that did not work out because my body type had changed. Like my muscles were responding very differently to when I was like 5 6 years younger. So I was not getting results. Instead, I was getting injured and getting very very tired and not enjoying the workout. I was spending a lot of time in the gym and not feeling any benefits. Try to eat more healthy, but I realized I was more starving myself. But by the end of the day, in the evening, I was basically starved and I would just eat anything after that. I was just looking for the right answer. I had reached out to some other people as well in the past, but those conversations did not go very well. A lot of them were either focused entirely on nutrition, uh, either entirely focused on gym. I wanted something which I could learn and then do at my own pace. So that was the main thing that others were not. I didn't find in the people I reached out to. I found Natalia's website and her contact, and I saw that she helps people by teaching them and not really giving them a plan. What was very interesting for me because I wanted to learn how to take care of myself in the long run. The goals I had set out at the beginning of the program, I wanted to lose at least 4 5 kgs. I've lost in the right range. I want to lose more, so that will continue. Second, I wanted to start building muscle and build strength, which I have. I have built my heart conditioning so I can do 30 to 40 minutes of cardio continuously. I can lift a lot of weight. I can pull up my body weight. I can push up my body weight. All those are achievements in the 3 months. Also, things like how to eat well, how to think about food in terms of if you've like how to portion your meals, how to think about your diet throughout the day or throughout the week rather than just obsessing over one meal. So those are the things I've learned. Working with Natalia is quite easy. She's quite accessible. She's easy to talk to. She's very honest and straight. So I think her philosophy and her mindset is about teaching the tools so that you can take them and play with them and make them work for you rather than you working for the tools. She makes sure that you understand that where she's coming from, and from that point of view understand that when she's being direct, it's about telling you something which is very honest. Wonderful to work with. I would recommend this program to people, and specifically to those people who are interested in learning how to take care of themselves rather than achieving short-term goals, who are interested in learning about health and nutrition and how to apply that in life.